Hi, meteorologist TJ Del Santo with an update for you on today's weather, and we're going to be taking a close look at Hurricane Lee as well. Here's what we're tracking hour by hour forecast. You can clearly see where the hurricane is. We're looking at a lot of clouds around today, some sunshine, especially in the morning. We're dry, but going to be breezy all day. Winds from the northeast and north, 10 to 20 miles an hour. Tonight, the storm's getting a little bit closer. We're looking at a lot of clouds. We'll see some rain showers arriving, especially across Cape Cod, the islands, by 11 o'clock. Winds picking up from the north and northwest. I'm going to stop right here at 8 o'clock in the morning with the storm center off to the east of Chatham. We'll be seeing some rain showers, especially across the eastern half of Massachusetts. We'll see some showers across Rhode Island, but the worst of it out across eastern Mass. It's going to be pretty windy tomorrow morning to start the day. We'll talk about that in a little while, but you can actually see that storm center passing off to our east, and we're looking at sunshine to return for the afternoon. All right, so for today, we are looking at a lot of clouds around, temperatures up around 70, breezy, dry, winds from the northeast and north, 10 to 20 miles an hour. For tonight, we've got that tropical storm warning for eastern portions of the area, mainly out across Fall River, New Bedford, and out toward eastern Massachusetts. Overnight low temperatures in the upper 50s. For tomorrow, tropical storm warning continues for eastern areas. Morning showers giving way to some sunshine. Strong gusty winds all day, 15 to 30 miles an hour plus. Here's your 3-day forecast. Showers, kind of windy on Saturday. Sunday looking good. Temperatures in the mid-70s in the afternoon. All right, here's the particulars on Lee. 85 mile an hour wind. Category 1 storm. We're expecting it to be a Category 1 storm as it passes off to our east tomorrow morning. Still pretty strong, but still staying well offshore. But the wind field kind of expands as it moves north, so we're still certainly going to be seeing some fairly strong winds, especially out across eastern Mass, including southern Bristol County and Massachusetts. We're looking at also Cape Cod, the islands, and a tropical storm warning. Rhode Island, no warnings, but we're looking at some pretty good wind gusts, 35, 45 miles an hour, 50 to 60 mile an hour gusts across Plymouth County, maybe higher than that across Hyannis, Chatham, Provincetown, all the way down into Nantucket. Wouldn't surprise me a few gusts out to 70 miles an hour out there. Now, with these kind of winds, it's certainly strong enough to take down some trees. Ground's very saturated, especially in northern Rhode Island, so trees could topple. It's not going to be a widespread situation, but there certainly could be some power outages. Not a bad idea to plan for that. Looking at large ocean waves today and probably through the weekend, dangerous rip currents, beach erosion. Please stay off the rocks and jetties throughout the weekend. We'll have an update on Lee and latest on our local forecast coming up on 12 News this morning.